one of the biggest mistakes I see is that people get really productive at doing the wrong things. You get into these really hardcore challenges where you're doing cold showers and working out twice a day, and that's not solving your problem. Like, you don't have a workout twice a day problem. You have a problem where you're not spending enough time with your kids and with your wife, and she's getting pissed off at you. And so, all these people say, oh man, look at you, you're all hardcore and you're disciplined, you're doing this, and you're like, you're also divorced. So what is it gaining you to become super productive at something that doesn't matter? So the solution in life to be productive, to be disciplined, to be successful sustainably for the long term is to first know what matters. Not what matters to somebody else on the internet, but what matters to you in your heart. And when you know what matters, then you get productive at doing the right things on the right time for your right life. If you're chasing everybody else's stuff, you're going to fail.